Hello friends, so today we're going to take you to Hitchkey in BKC for mom's birthday lunch. So let's review this place. So as you guys can see, the interiors are aesthetically set up, though the sofas could be a little better. They are not in such great condition. The menu has some funky names for the dishes, and finally we've placed our order.
Chat.
Which chat?
We've tried the Hitchkey in the Palladium Mall, and definitely their interiors and their ambience was much better. You can take your kids to this outlet only up to 6 pm. After 6 pm, it's only for adults. The food at the Palladium Hitchkey was really good, so we have great expectations from
बटर
here.
चिकन भी मंगवाया था ये भी ऑलमोस्ट सारा मेरे को ही खाना पड़ता था
The food took about 40 minutes to arrive, which is fine, but then we ordered some really simple starters, which definitely could have come earlier. So finally, we've got our green chicken Thai curry, which looks quite tempting. Mom and I don't eat non-veg, but these other two, let's see how they're gonna like it. So here is our pani puri. I don't know why it took them so long to get this. It looks really quite tempting. I can't wait to try this. I've been just dying to eat pani puri since so long. So they have separate waters, which is I think the best, so that everybody can put chutneys according to their taste. I am a bit disappointed. I didn't like them really all that much, but what I've realized is I probably like the ones, which they make and give and you just have to eat them. But yeah, mom liked them quite a bit. And here we have rose white sauce pasta, which looks quite cheesy.
too good
So here is our Sev Puri, which no one liked at all. Chaats are the best in smaller restaurants or than the thelas, but yes, they have to be hygienic. And last, Manchurian and fried rice, which was pathetic. Nobody liked it. As it's in BKC, we thought it's going to be really good, but no, definitely the Palladium one is better.